We're here with the Big Bull roll-up. Corporate customer Jon Ward over at ICON did a nice little segment for us. ICON is a company that makes upfits like Toyota Land Cruisers, old Broncos, really cool vintage vehicles that are just taken to like Swiss Army watch level for off-road vehicles. Amazing vehicles. So Jon's been a friend and a customer for a long time. And so when you get one of his winch kits with his rigs, it comes with a recovery kit. So he sent a whole box of stuff up here. There was like a snatch rope in there, turn block, gloves, all the stuff you need for vehicle recovery will fit into every one of these pockets with room to spare. The whole thing kind of rolls up. That's why we call it the Big Bull tool roll. I've used it for a lot of different things. I currently have my camp kitchen set up. I put like my cooking utensils, little foldable plates, aluminum foil, spices, all that sort of stuff. Of course, it will hold wrenches and tools, but it has a tons of uses. Our camera crew has one on set. They use it for some of their stuff. This bag was designed to be the ultimate overland trail bag. You can hang this on the roof rack of your vehicle while you're working on it. So all your tools are right here. It's padded so it doesn't mar up your paint. You can get there and get to your wrenches, your ropes, whatever you happen to use. A couple of them would set up a vehicle. Great, one for recovery, one for repair. And maybe one for the camp kitchen, so maybe you need 3. I just kind of wanted to highlight this and give a shout out to Jon Ward over at ICON. Thank you, sir, for the plug. And we'll be seeing you out there on the trail.